I'm Dr. Elena Brei, and I will show you an easy way that I make a breakfast meal for myself and my family with an easy smoothie recipe, which replaces my breakfast. I use IO Advanced Nutrition on a daily basis. It's a scientifically formulated blend of minerals, dietary fiber, and vitamins that keeps you healthy, detoxed, inside out. The IO I developed for my husband who was diagnosed with irritable bowel syndrome, and there's a lot of research that went into developing this product. It is so great for gut health. It doesn't just keep you satiated and regular, it also regulates your blood sugar, so it's great for pre-diabetics and diabetics, and it has no added flavor, no dyes. It's a very clean and pure and very simple formula that just gives you that edge of energy in the morning and keeps you going throughout your day. IO Advanced Nutrition has been designed to deliver nutritional benefits to the body in one easy tablespoon a day. And it's in a powdered form that is easily digestible in the body. So today I'm gonna make my favorite smoothie that I make every single morning for me and my entire family. It's super easy and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Today I'm adding blueberries. These are wild Canadian blueberries that I absolutely love because they're full of nutrition, no pesticides, and they add all those healthy phytonutrients. We also have some raspberries that also give us a lot of antioxidants and digestive support. We're gonna add some kale as our greens. I always add greens, whether it's spinach, kale, or anything else, because all the greens offer different nutrients and they're so incredible for your body. And this is an easy way to digest these complex fibers. And then for some creaminess, I love to add some avocado. Now we're ready to add the IO Advanced Nutrition. So just 1 heaping tablespoon of IO Advanced Nutrition is all you need to stay healthy. For a little sweetness, you can add some dates or maple syrup. I will just add a few of these delicious organic dates that are pitted. Make sure they're pitted. And now for our liquid of choice, you can add your favorite milk. I recommend plant-based, but today we're going to add some coconut water. Just a cup. And now we're ready to blend. Once you've added all your ingredients, the magic begins once we blend for about 10 to 30 seconds. Now we're ready to pour and enjoy. And this has all the vitamins, nutrients, fiber, and vitamins that you need to keep you satiated, full, and healthy for the rest of the day. Wow, incredible. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. So while you're enjoying this delicious meal, you're also doing a lot for your gut. Your gut contains these villi, which are finger-like projections that often get gunked up with food and wrong things that we eat, and then you're not absorbing micronutrients. If you rely on soluble fiber like psyllium husks or xanthan gum, other types of gums, what these do is they glide through and they don't clean this area out. They will actually shorten the villi. And if you're doing enemas, like coffee enemas, those two do not fix the issue. Our proprietary blend of fiber and minerals are able to get in here and clean out these finger-like projections, so they're fully able to absorb the micronutrients. And this is why it's so important. So while you're enjoying your meal, you're doing a lot of cleanup right here in the gut, every time. Now, if you notice, this recipe does not contain bananas, and the reason being is that berries and bananas do not mix. Bananas notoriously contain an enzyme that breaks down all those great phytonutrients that are contained in blueberries and other berries. So if you want to enjoy your banana smoothie, there's a way to do it, and I'll show you it in the next video. Take care.